thought it was scrap, until we realized what it really was. This car was abandoned, but not forgotten. Would you believe this hypercar cost us only $1,200? Deep in the forest, we discovered something no one believed still existed.
This hypercar had been forgotten for years. Every detail showed years of neglect.
But this was no ordinary car. This car once meant everything to someone. This car once meant everything to someone. Time had completely stopped it. Nature had claimed it as its own.
We wondered if it could ever run again.
Against all odds, we decided to save it.
The restoration journey finally began.
We saw.
The engine was barely recognizable.
But giving up was never an option.
Years of dirt began to wash away. Hidden beauty slowly emerged.
Every part needed attention.
Nothing about this was easy.
Patience became our greatest tool. Piece by piece, it came back to life.
This was the moment everything started to change.
The transformation was unbelievable. The eyes of the beast returned.
Every detail inside mattered.
Signs of life finally appeared.
Everything led to this moment.
Against all odds, the engine came alive. Against all odds, the engine came alive.
The legend was reborn.
For the first time, it touched the road again. Every movement felt unreal.
A new chapter had begun.
It shinned like it once did.
Behind the wheel, it felt alive.
Power returned with every second.
The sound echoed like a heartbeat.
This was more than a restoration.
Some dreams never truly die.
This legend was finally free again.
After years of silence, it finally stood proud. You could feel the power breathing again.
This machine was born and to move.
Every mile told a story of survival. From above, it looked unstoppable.
The legacy was still intact.
Sometimes, victory needs a moment of silence.
This was more than just a job.
Perfection had been earned.
A forgotten legend had returned.
Every symbol carried a legacy.
Inside, perfection had been rebuilt. Even at rest, it demanded attention.
The scars were gone, but the story remained.
Power returned with quiet confidence.
Control was everything.
Freedom finally felt real. Precision lived in every movement.
The journey had changed everything.
Some legends never fade. The road ahead felt endless. Nature watched as it returned. Every grip told a story of control. The heartbeat was steady. Confidence came naturally. There was no turning back now.
The past was finally behind us.
Some views are worth the wait. Nightfall couldn't dim its presence.
The journey was complete.
A new day welcomed a reborn legend.
Every detail felt alive again.
Freedom stretched as far as the eye could see.
Every movement felt perfectly tuned.
Power flowed effortlessly.
The road met the horizon.
Every moment felt cinematic.
It moved in harmony with the world.
Sometimes, the journey asks us to pause. This was the calm after the storm.
Strength and beauty met in perfect balance.
The road followed the rhythm of nature. Every path felt intentional. It turned heads without trying.
Engineering spoke through motion. Craftsmanship lived in every stitch.
The world seemed to open up.
Even its silence was powerful.
Every journey has its final mile.
Past and present finally aligned.
Every journey has its final mile.